Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. In today's episode, I'm going to share with you something I got in the mail, something I purchased, and something that was gifted to me. So stay tuned. This is going to be a quick video, and I'm first going to start with what I got at the store. Put that right there. I was at Walmart and I found a few items that they had just started putting out for the spring. Last year, a good gardening friend of mine gave me some gladiolus bulbs. And so I found the same ones. They were so striking, absolutely beautiful. So I picked up some more beautiful deep scarlet gladiolus. I also picked up something that I used to have in the garden, but I lost it a few years ago. And that is the bleeding heart. So I'll be hopefully putting this in the garden. We'll see how it all goes. I also picked up a lily of the valley. I've been doing some research on that, and that looks absolutely beautiful. I think it'll go great in my white garden area. And because I've been trying to get as much viewing time in as possible, I was looking at some old videos of AJ's green thumb, and he was planting up some peonies. And so I found this beautiful white peony with that burgundy center, and I'm going to try to give peonies a try. I know that sounds crazy, try to give something a try, but y'all know what I mean. And I also found some more garlic bulbs. You can never have enough onions and garlic, so these will be going into the garden as well. Now I do have some items that was gifted to me, and I'm so thankful that people who are gardeners like myself will gift, because I gift things as well. And I do not remember the names of these, but I'll put some information in the description box below. But I was gifted some red potatoes. So I got a couple of these. And she also gave me some white and yellow onions. So I'll be putting these in the garden very soon. Now, I received a package in the mail from Renee's garden. I opened it up, but I have no idea what's in here, so I'm going to take everything out now. She sent me a card. I'm going to read that off camera. She sent me, oh, that's cute. She sent me a Valentine's bag with chocolate and nerds. Nerds are old school candy. If y'all are not, if you all are not 70s and 80s babies, more like 80s babies, then you won't know what a nerd is. So nerds and heart-shaped chocolates. Thank you, Miss Renee. I'm gonna have to save that for later. I also received Miss Renee. She was reading my mind. I know she was. I just took out these seeds earlier today to do some winter sowing. Thank you. They're gonna go in my white garden. I have an area where I'm going to start my white garden again this year, and these are definitely gonna go in. These are Elysiums. She also sent me, ooh, she is really reading my mind. She sent me some bachelor buttons. Now I have bachelor buttons, but I'm not a huge fan of the color blue. And the ones I have, they came in a flower mix packet and they're blue, and I think I have some that are purple. And I'm trying to have bachelor buttons that are more in the reds and the pinks. And so this will work perfectly. And then she sent me, oh, she must watch my videos. She sent me some sweet Italian basil. I make my very own pesto, so I absolutely love basil. And basil will always be a part of the ClausenWorld garden. And then she sent me, let's see. Aw, so many personal items. Thank you. She sent me a pair of earrings. She must notice. Well, no, I don't wear my earrings very often when I'm in a video, but I do wear hoops. I've always been a hoops woman or hoops girl. And so when I do have my earrings on, hoops. Thank you. That is so lovely. She's gonna be wearing those, y'all. And let's see, I've got one other thing in here. This has to be delicate because it's wrapped so nicely. Let's see. I think I know what this is. I can feel it through the packaging. And I'm all about my jewelry. Let's see. That's exactly what I thought. Oh, thank you, Miss Renee. It is a bracelet. And y'all, if you watch any of my videos, I'm always jingle jangling. Always jingle jangling. Thank you so very much. I really do appreciate these lovely heartfelt gifts. I'm gonna show y'all again. A necklace and a bracelet. I'm gonna be wearing these, y'all. I received seeds, my all-time favorite as a gardener. And of course, a card and some chocolates. I'm gonna eat all this. Yeah, I'm not sharing. Thank you so very much. That's all I have to share with you guys today. It was a very small, quick, and fast shopping haul, gift, and mail call. So I hope you all enjoyed what I brought to you today. If you did, do me a favor. Like this video. Share this video. If you feel so inclined, subscribe to my channel. Until then, or until the next video, I hope you all are well, safe, and warm, and you have everything you need to get you through this winter. Bye, everybody. Have a good one.